I believe that the penalty for these type of crimes should be death. Before I begin, I want you to hear something that should stop everyone in their tracks. Every year, tens of thousands of children are reported missing in the United States alone. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children assisted with more than 32,000 child cases in 2025 around the world. Millions of children are victims of trafficking, sexual exploitation, online grooming, forced labor, and other forms of abuse every year. Behind every number is a child whose life has been changed forever. These are our sons, our daughters, our grandchildren. Every missing child has a name, every missing child has a face, and a mom and dad, and every one of them deserves someone willing to fight for it. Welcome to another episode of The Signal. My name is Randy Dominguez. This episode is very close to my own. I'm a father of 4 boys, 2 that are grown and out on their own, 2 that are still small. My boys mean everything to me. And like every parent, whether you're at the beach or the park, you had that moment where you're out of your sight for 1 second. Your heart starts racing, you immediately start thinking the worst. Then you find them, and you thank God. Now imagine those few seconds turn into hours. Hours into days. Days into months. Months into years. I cannot imagine living through that. Yet thousands of parents do every day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is pure evil. I believe if you kidnap a child, if you're into trafficking a child, if you are a pedophile, in my opinion, I believe you've given your right to live amongst us. I believe that the penalty for these type of crimes should be death. I believe we should put you to death, send you off to the next life, and let God deal with you. And if you don't repent, you're gonna burn in hell. Folks, the battlefield has changed. Predators don't always hide in the dark anymore. Many of them hide behind a phone, a gambling headset, a fake profile, an anonymous username. Games like Roblox, Fortnite, Minecraft, Discord, and other online platforms have been used by predators to contact children if parents are not paying attention. Know what your kids are playing. Know who they're talking to. Know who they're messaging. Teach your kids to not let an adult ever tell them to keep secrets from you. Build that relationship where your child can tell you anything and everything. Watch for sudden changes in their behavior. Trust your instinct. If something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. The fight belongs to all of us. Parents, grandparents, teachers, coaches, neighborhoods, law enforcement, communities. We have to put a stop to this. Quit pretending that it happens in other places. It's happening in our own backyards. Support organizations that rescue missing and exploited children. Tim Tebow Foundation is really good. And for all you dads out there, we need to step up to the plate, take care of business. Even if it's not your child, if you see something, do something about it. You see, I'd rather hurt somebody's feelings and apologize later than to let one child go through this type of nightmare, this type of hell. Children are not statistics. They're gifts from God. They deserve to grow up. They deserve to laugh. They deserve to dream. They deserve to live. Because there is no greater responsibility than protecting those that cannot protect themselves. Thank you for joining me on The Signal. My name is Randy Dominguez. We'll see you next time, Lord willing. Godspeed.